So I woke up this morning, tried to start my truck up, realized it won't come on. And I'm like, well, now I'm gonna have to do a lot of walking today. How am I gonna get to work? And it doesn't do nothing. Turn the key, not a sound. It's got power. Thought it might be a fuse. Then I remembered a trick some mechanic taught me once. If you have something to hit your starter with, just give it a couple of taps. Show you real quick. There's my bad boy. Let's see if I can get in here. Yeah, right here. Just give it a couple taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. That doesn't really matter how many, as long as you're able to tap on it. If you don't have a hammer, use a bar I used to lift the truck up with. It's easy to use to tap on it. Let's see if this does the trick. Cross your fingers. What do I do with the keys? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh, hear it roar. And that's your tip for the day. You don't have to call a tow truck. Spend money on that, get you home. We'll get you to the mechanic so you can get it replaced. But that sign says it's about to go out. Hope this helps.